Welcome everyone. My name is Alaskobi1, and as you can see in my workflow, I have Deepseek here, and I think sometimes it's better to use Deepseek because it can help you make your work easily when you write a prompt. Okay, let me explain you. When we want to create a agent, it's very easy now. Okay, if I go there and create here, okay, it's very easy to create an agent. Okay, you just need to go to this, okay, and just add an agent, and this is it. Okay, you have an agent, and you have to add an LLM, anyone you want. Okay, GPT, like that, you create a new credential and you have your agent. Okay, now if we click on chat, okay, and say something hi, it will reply you like that. Very simple. Okay, this is your first configuration. Okay, now it is like a GPT. Okay, it also like a GPT. Like someone go to chat GPT and write something here, and it get the same reply as your basic agent. So if you want to add new tools like Gmail, okay, to send email to people, okay, like that, you need now to go here and create a system message, okay, for your agent. Okay, create system message, but sometimes system message is very hard or very complicated. Okay, sometimes when we want to create a system message here, sometimes we get a screenshot like that, and we go to GPT and ask help here, write a system message for us, and it write it. Okay, after that we copy it and we go to the agent and we paste it here. Okay, but with Deepseek we'll do it very quickly and simply. Let me show you. First, you must to add a new agent here. Okay, a new agent here. Okay, and now you want to add Deepseek. Okay, but here you need to create a new credential. Okay, like GPT. How to do that? You must go to deepseek.com and go to API platform, and here you'll get API. You need to add money. Let me show you. Okay, here you need, if you get access here in Deepseek, and you need to add your credit card. Okay, you choose $2 and you add your card and you pay, and you will get this access. If you go to API key, you can create a new API, name your API, and click on create API, and you get a code. Okay, this code you must go to your anything with it. Okay, here you can paste the code here and save it, and you create a credential for your Deepseek. Okay, here after create credential, you have two model of Deepseek. We have Deepseek Chat and Deepseek Reasoner. If you want to check them, here in this page, you have Deepseek Chat, that is Deepseek V1, and Deepseek Reasoner, that is Deepseek R1. Okay, if you want to compare them with ChatGPT V3, Deepseek V3 is like GPT 4.0, and Deepseek L1 is like GPT 01, and so on. Okay, but in my opinion, Deepseek L1 is better than 01 for GPT. Okay, after that, in your N10, if you choose your model, you have some option here. You haven't to add those options, but here we have simply temperature. Okay, you can change the temperature, and each one, if you increase or decrease this temperature, you have data here. Okay, coding math, if you set it in O0, and data cleaning analysis, if you increase the value for a 1. Okay, and you have, and so on. This is temperature and use case. By default, we have temperature in 1. Okay, so If you don't add temperature, you have one here. After that, you have configured your Deepseek, and you want now Deepseek help you to create a system message, a very good prompt for your agent. Okay, you don't need now to go here to create a prompt. You can close this window, and Deepseek will help you to create a prompt. Okay, let me hide this, and here it is here we will create a system message for Deepseek. Okay, here you can just add this text I have created, and I explain you how it works. Okay, this is the text here. It is the simple text. You are an AI agent responsible for creating clear and actionable prompt that guide a personal assistant in completing assigned task. Okay, we said it. You are an AI agent that create a prompt for other AI agent. So Deepseek here will create a prompt to give to this AI, and this AI, without put a prompt system here, will work with it and done this task. Okay, so let's go to chat. Okay, and we have also add. Okay, delete this. Okay, let me delete this and just keep this. Here is today's that personal assistant might use. Okay, we want to give that to our personal assistant, our AI, because sometimes it don't know which date used to send message or check our Google Calendar. So here I want to rename this agent, okay, like that, and we'll create a prompt for us. And let's go to check. Okay, if I click on open chat, okay, this is the message. Hi, can you send message to us at kabatron@gmail.com? Ask if he can come tomorrow to continue the workflow configuration on anything. Okay, make sure sign off the email with the on my name. Okay, and send. Okay. Okay, we have an error here because here and we must define below, and now this AI must use the output from Deepseek. Okay, so if you check this prompt, this output, you'll notice that if you do one click here, you'll notice that Deepseek has created a amazing text format for this AI agent. Let's retry it. Okay, and let me rewrite the text and send. Okay, let me check. If I go to my Gmail mail here, if I do one click, you'll see, hi Hassan, I have this meta, I found you well. Are you available to come tomorrow? We have this date because we have add in the prompt here, in the we have add the today date. Okay, so the AI agent can understand which date use. Okay, so to continue the workflow or anything. But here we have my name, but the format, the text isn't very readable. Okay, here I will explain you how you can edit this message to get a beautiful readable text. You'll see it is very awesome, amazing. Okay, here we want to get a beautiful message isn't like this. Okay, so you can go to the text and write a, you must use HTML CSS format to create a beautiful mail and add friendly emoji like that. Very simple. And let's try again. Okay, so if I go there and I go to chat and let me reload all, delete. Okay, and resend the message. I forget. Can send the message. Okay. The same message. In the first, you'll get this format. It isn't readable. It is very hard to read. Okay, So in the next, we'll see which will be the next format, because here we have changed and add some text. We have add a HTML CSS format, okay, to get a beautiful format. Okay, the point is go to the agent and the mail has been sent. Okay, let's check. If I go to my mail, reload, I have the next mail. Okay, now look at it. It's very different from here. The mail is like that. Here we have the name first and this second message in other line, and we have this, okay, and in the end we have my name with emoji. Here it isn't very good to read. Okay, so you can add more option in Deepseek. Okay, you can go in your anything, okay, and seed and increase this, because you'll write a HTML CSS code, so you can add color. Okay, you can say with color to create a beautiful with color. Okay, so if I check this again, let me delete, and now I want it add color somewhere in my mail to get a beautiful. Okay, let's send. Okay, it's sent. Okay, if you check the output here, let me show you the output of the printer. You'll see you have a HTML CSS code doc type. It is a HTML and CSS code. Okay, so Deepseek write a code to send to this agent. Okay, now if we go to check our mail, okay, this is the different format by Deepseek. The first is like that. We have the hello text, and also you have the subject, and it is difficult to read. Okay, if I do it like that, it is on one line. Okay, people can read it easily. On the second message, we have a better format of mail. Okay, people can read it easily. The name, I hope you are doing well, and the message, and in the end we have our name. In the last, it is very, very beautiful. Okay, because in this last, with Deepseek, we add color in the height. We have the name, which is big, and we can read it correctly, and it is a beautiful message, and we have our name with emoji. It is very, very beautiful, and this is possible because we have add Deepseek here, and we can go to this message and say that we want. If you want to add color, we can set it here. If you want to do it like we want, we can set it here. And now we can add a new tool here, like Google Calendar. Google Calendar here, a new tool, and choose connect, create a new credential, connect your Google Calendar. Okay, you must connect the same account here to your Google Calendar, and this way you will see your different calendar. Okay, this is where we create a calendar. You do one click here and create a calendar like that. It's very simple. And now we can find all calendar you have. I choose this, and here you can click here to the AI will configure it. You want to add a description to your calendar, and you want to add a title. Okay, and you check those, and it's finished. You have a create event. You have your calendar. So I want to send this same message and ask him to add this event to my calendar. The first is, hi, can you send message to us, Kabatron, and so on, and add this session, this planning to my calendar. Okay, let me make sure you send off the email and so on, and let me add tomorrow at, and let me add 9 a.m. Okay, at 9 a.m. Okay, I want it add this planning to my calendar. Okay, and I have already choose the name here about the studio, and I want to add this to my calendar. So Deepseek must create a beautiful event, send it to this agent, and will send. So let's try. Let's try. Do one click. I haven't specified a title for my calendar. I haven't specified description for my calendar. Deepseek here, agent, the text say you are an agent responsible for creating an actionable prompt that give a personal access to completing a task. Okay, this prompt will allow to create a title and description for the event which will be in my calendar. Okay, also this prompt will allow again to write a beautiful email. So with Deepseek, you can create with only one prompt, create different prompt for this agent. However, when I create my AI agent wizard Deepseek, always I add a tool. I must go there to add the new text. Okay, it is very I delete. I delete, but it's good. Let me check. First, I have this event to my calendar. Let me check my calendar. It is 9. If I do double click, you have work configuration in Oniten. The title has been sent by Deepseek and the description is here. Let me check my mail. If I go to my mail in 0 minutes, hi has, I hope you are done. Okay, and so on, and it's finished. Okay, so this is a easy way to create a prompt when you use Deepseek. It's very helpful. You must check it. You must try it. It's very simple. Once you understand it, your work become very simple for you. So this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll create another uh, tutorial, another video to explain how maybe you can add many agents. Let me show you. If I go there and add a new agent here, okay, I can get an agent here and also another agent here, and maybe I can send data in a vector in Supabase or vector store and use Deepseek to control all agents here. Okay, see you next to a new tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.